Okay, so today we're gonna travel to this monkey fairground. Let's check on this. So over here, two squirrels, two suitcases.
Why are you even saying that?
One of this yellow thing. Okay, so I'm gonna buy more monkey box. Yeah. Okay. Try to get more of the ingredients. Okay. Clown unicorn. Okay. Ooh, I got another scroll. Okay. What's this? Okay, this is premium box and this costs $4. Okay, so now I have 3 scrolls all together. I'm gonna give it to a monkey. Let's see, how should I give this to my monkey? How do I give this to my monkey?
Give what?
This, the scroll.
Give it to the ninja.
Oh, this monkey.
Give this to the ninja. I'm ninja monkey, master of stealth.
Okay, stealth. Give me 3 scrolls and I'll teach your monkey to walk the path of ninja. Oh my gosh. The legendary techniques. I can now show your monkey the way of the ninja. Okay? Transform your equipped monkey. Yes.
Your monkey is a ninja monkey.
Ninja monkey! Oh my gosh.
No, you have to buy me something.
Wait, let's see what this is. It's a legendary! Oh my gosh!
Can you help me walk? I can't walk.
Okay, just give me a sec here, okay? Here, you can hold on to my cat. What do you want?
Bye. I don't have enough money.
You have no money here. Can't believe it.
Well, we have a lot of vehicles.
Oh my gosh, I love my ninja monkey. It's so cute.
Where's your ninja monkey? I don't see it.
It's following. You don't see this monkey?
Oh,
What the?
it's so cute.
I know.
We can be families. Can you give me some money?
Okay, you can share some money with you.
Thank
You
you.
can just set out your hot dog stand.
Oh, this is your.
I'm controlling your account.
Yeah.
Here, let me see where it is. Bag, vehicle, toys, hot dog stand. Oh, you can set the hot dog stand here too. Yeah. That price, $50.
I'll buy some. No, you buy it. Go ahead and buy it.
Okay. But the monkey box is so expensive.
Yeah, I waste my money so fast.
You know, you have one of the simple ingredient, one scroll. Let me see what else you have.
That's it.
That's it. Oh my gosh. Here, let me just buy some box for you and then just give it to you, okay?
Okay.
1, 2,
You know you can do that.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open it? Oh, okay. Let me get another one. Look, now I only have $2,000 left, okay? Don't ask me for any more money.
Okay.
Here, let's just trade. Here, trade. Okay, okay. Like, oh, you have to send a trade request. Here, accept. Okay, me gift 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's accept it. That's the only box I'm gonna give you, okay?
Yeah, and
Because
never again.
I'm gonna go broke after this. I've been giving you so much money. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I just love my ninja monkey so much.
So you make a video?
Wait, they're all legendary, right? Are they all legendary? All the transform monkey?
No.
Should I make a neon?
Yeah.
It's gonna take a lot to make neon, right? A lot of
1 year.
bucks.
No. 1 year.
As long as
10
you have
days.
enough money.
10 days.
Well, maybe I should get more money. Okay. Here. Okay, so, go open your box, okay? Here, I'm here. Go. Right. Let's
give me
open
8?
the box. Here.
You only give me 8?
Of course. 8, you know how much 8 bucks cost? It's almost $5,000.
What?
One box is $600. $1. Okay. Here, go open it. Here, go.
What?
I'm watching. Come on.
Here.
What do you get?
I got monkey bogo and monkey and cotton candy.
Oh, okay. Okay, keep on going.
Open it. Open. I got so I'm gonna cycle cotton candy and monkey. Keep
Okay.
getting monkeys.
I know, that's what happened. Oh my god, we're so busy here. The phone keeps on ringing. You hear that?
Open.
What's that? What's frisbee and cotton candy?
And monkey again. I keep getting monkeys.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe
Now I have
this.
like so much monkey.
You got 5 more bucks left, okay?
I'm gonna get 5 monkeys.
You need some luck, girl.
I don't have luck.
What?
No,
2 cotton candies at a time? Oh my gosh. Continue, come on.
Please.
Go.
We
What's
got
that?
monkey
Monkey
bogo again.
Clown umbrella. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
no luck. Oh, cash out.
Okay. There, continue with the clown umbrella and cotton candy.
I have no luck.
You got 2 more bucks left. That's it.
No, please.
That's great.
No.
Well,
One more
gotta get
box.
the clown unicorn.
I need to go somewhere else.
1 more bucks. That's
Go
it.
somewhere else and open it like. So
You
we can
just-
get luck.
You just waste 5,000, almost 5,000 bucks.
So can we do somewhere else so I can
Yeah,
get
yeah.
luck?
Where do you need to go?
To the coffee shop.
Where did you go? Wait for me.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm bad at walking.
Wait.
Walk.
Here, I'm gonna follow you. Okay. I can take you in my stroller.
Okay, I'll
You
be a
can
baby.
be a baby. It's okay. You're almost there. Don't go past it.
No.
Here, come on.
No.
Come on.
Should I teleport to you?
Oh, no, just go inside.
Okay.
Is this a good place?
The best place.
Or you need to go like over there? Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the place where we got the legendary hoverboard. Okay. What? No, it's umbrella and cotton candy. That's it.
I am
Look
now.
at this ninja monkey. It's the best thing of all. Okay, let me check. Let me see. What else I got? I got 2 suitcases. You got suitcase? Maybe I can give you 2 suitcases if you have 1 suitcase. No? Oh, I should just spend the whole thing. Oh my! Why did you sit on my leg? Oh, my leg's gonna break. You know you're happy. Oh my gosh! Oh, no, another symbol.
Can I have a toy monkey?
No, I have 2 symbols.
Can I have you 2 symbols, please? And I want a toy monkey.
You want toy monkey? Okay. Okay, that's fine.
No.
Here. Okay, don't ask me for any more monkeys, okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm eating Pringles.
You're always asking me for monies and pets. Did Sina say she wish she have a rich mom? And
No.
taught me?
No.
Did she say she wish her mom play Roblox?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, here, let's trade.
Mom doesn't do that.
Oh, it's okay. You don't need English to play Roblox.
I knew it.
We just need to love the game.
That's the sweet part.
Okay, where's the other
There's no
one?
trash bag. I can't throw my Pringles.
Just put it on the side, please.
Can I put it right here on the side?
Yes.
Yes.
There.
No, I will go. Toy monkey, I'm here.
Yeah.
Toy monkey, hello, toy
Talk
monkey.
to it.
I'll go talk to you now. Okay, talk. Hey, I'm toy monkey, master of fun.
I'm toy
Give me
monkey.
3 symbols, and I will teach a monkey how to spread joy like me.
Whoa, you got enough for me to work my magic.
Yes. Give me,
Wow.
give me.
I'm gonna see your... Press yes. I'm gonna see your monkey transform.
Boom. Yeah.
Where is it?
It's right here.
Where is it? Toy monkey! Oh my gosh! This is cute! Come here over here.
Jump. Jump.
Let me let out my ninja monkey. Let's see. This is the legendary?
Let me see.
Wait, let's check.
It's ultra rare.
Oh, it's ultra rare. Oh, not all monkeys are. Okay, not all monkeys are.
Well, I got
legendary.
accessories now.
Yeah.
Look at
Oh, my
accessories.
monkey is legendary. But they're all cute.
Okay, let's dress them up. How do you dress up again?
They're cute like this already.
Let's
Wait.
drop it. I'm dropping
Drop
it.
it, drop it.
I see it. I'm seeing what accessories.
Whoa!
Whoa, it's happy.
Yeah, it's a happy monkey.
Is there tricks?
This is so
No
cute.
tricks. Can do any tricks.
I love my monkey too. My monkey is so cool.
Okay. What? So, what does he have?
Okay, family.
I got this
You're my
hat.
family already.
I
Pick
got
up.
the ultra rare
Oh, look at this baby.
hat.
This baby is so cute.
Hey, drop it. Hey,
Can I feed us something?
I'm looking. No, since you. No. Hey, now I can't see my monkey.
Oh, sorry. Oh, no, let me put it over there. Oh, sorry, I changed the... Here, where can you see it? No, not this way.
It's not.
Over here, over here. Over here. Oh,
Hey, you almost did it.
yeah, okay. Drop that. Oh,
Hey, you
no.
dropped it on the floor. You're so mean.
Sorry, accident.
Okay, I'm just gonna press back here, and then just my monkey.
Come on. We're gonna show Stina our new monkeys. She's gonna go jealous, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't. Does that have wings?
Come on, ninja monkey.
The ninja monkey is cool.
Yep.
Clothes. Is there more? No, no. We can go to the store to buy us more. Sorry, I broke your leg,
Yes.
and I can't.
Take that chair over. Come on.
Hair. I can't see myself. Who's that hair? That's your hair.
Okay, come on.
Okay, we can. I'll try to show off our monkeys now. Let's think of. Oh,
Wait.
what?
Just teleport.
Look.
I'm gonna go to...
Oh, yeah, we can teleport. No, we can just do this, Look, so you press in your backpack, right?
Yeah.
And you press, where's the pet where, right?
Get.
Wait, and now you press this, and then,
Oh.
that's how you do it.
Shop.
Hey,
Okay.
where did you get that?
You what?
Oh, that's because of your monkey. I mean, like, this thinking and
Yeah,
this.
this is my ninja weird.
It's rare and this is uncommon.
It's my ninja.
What is my
Ninja
toy
weird.
monkey doing?
It's happy. It's jumping. What's your name?
He's so happy. Oh, what?
Yeah, it's always happy.
I don't see nothing. I'm
Come
gonna
on.
check this out. Pocket. Pocket protector. Nope. I don't want
Hey.
it. Blue backpack. Nope.
Hey, toy monkey.
Nope. Look, pink cat ears headphone. It's so expensive.
It's too expensive. You don't even have any money, Joyce. Come on.
Oh, wizard hat. I don't have.
You have enough for the... That's it. No. Yeah. We just need to get more money.
I'm gonna put a hat on my little monkey. I want this hat. Perfect. Oh, let me turn off. Let me take off this hat first. Boom. Oh, yes.
Look.
There.
Look at your monkey. He has a blue hat. That's cute.
Yeah, he's cool.
Whoa. I love the sunglasses.
Oh, some these.
Whoa.
Boom, boom, boom. Or a
What?
bow. A berry. Awesome. Meal time to
Backpack?
give
You need
now.
a backpack.
He's going to school, so he does need a backpack. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
There.
Whoa. This is so
He's
cute.
the coolest monkey.
His tail is sticking out of the backpack. How does he do that?
Because he's toy monkey, the master of Joyce.
Okay.
Master of Joyce.
Okay.
The funny where it's like Joyce then Joy. Ninja monkey is so cute too.
I know.
This is all so cute. I'm gonna
Look
pick,
at that.
can I pick up Ninja monkey?
Ready to fight.
Ah, so cute.
Where's my monkey?
I took it and I'm gonna steal it. Bye bye.
Oh my gosh. You can't run fast
Oh.
like this.
Hey.
Ha 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 ha.
No.
Give me back my monkey.
Ah.
My monkey.
No.
I want my ninja monkey back.
No.
Oh, what?
No.
What?
No.
Excuse me.
No. 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 My monkey. My monkey. My monkey. Mine.
You know what?
Mine. Mine.
You know
Mine.
what?
Mine. 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 Mine.
You're running crazy. I should just
No.
do this.
No.
Bye. I'm
What?
taking your toy monkey.
Hey, I'm stuck. Help! I'm gonna teleport you. Hey, you're not friendly.
Who's some of your friends? Look at you stuck there.
Hey, how dare you laugh at me? I'm gonna get out soon.
What?
See, I said
Bye.
it's nice. And
I'm
then
gone in the end. And you can't find me.
I will. Oh,
You will never ever
I
find me
will.
again.
Before offending you,
Because you can't find me.
because I can find you. Hello.
What? You scare me.
I don't know how to swim. Where did you go? Oh, I see you. I see you. I am master of monkey. The
It's
master.
so hard to
Monkey.
swim.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bye.
Oh, where did you go? I'm teleporting
I'm gone.
again. What?
Oh.
You're not my friend.
Hey, did you get this legendary train yet?
No, I'll never get it.
We should get this next time.
Yeah, we should make a video.
Oh my
I'll
god, I
get it.
love this toy monkey. It's so cute.
Hey, you
it's like
took
a
it.
baby.
Take my toy monkey. Get back here.
No, never. Bye.
Bye. After me.
Bye,
My
Joyce.
toy monkey. Wow, mine is legendary now. Haha.
What?
This is mine now. Ninja monkey, you follow me.
I'm gonna show you a
What?
trick, okay? Teleport. I'm gonna show you a trick.
Where'd you go?
Don't move. Don't move. Here. You see this? I have this monkey and you have this monkey.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna make that monkey disappear.
Hey, you put it in your inventory. I'm gonna make him.
Haha.
I'm gonna make my monkey disappear on your hand onto the boot.
What?
Ha! What? This girl's jealous. I saw her.
You know she's jealous. How?
Cause she keeps looking at us. How do you?
But she got a rideable sloth. It's cute too.
I got a flyable sloth. It's look. It has a trail. Let me. I'm gonna bring that out.
Let's show off.
Look, we can show off our cool pets.
Wait, that's a regular monkey.
Where's mine? I can't find it.
Hey.
Wait, what pet was I gonna take out? My flying sloth. Why did I take out my Shiba Inu?
People can't train me because only friends can train me.
Salah.
They can only just look. Hi. Hi, people.
So-
Do you
I don't
like
know.
my monkey?
There's no. Where's my sloth? I think it's here.
Did you give it away?
No, I didn't. No,
I was to join our family.
No, never. That's strangers. Toy monkey, where should we go? For the joyous monkey.
Yeah,
I'm gonna call you
say hi.
Joy. I'm gonna call you Joy. Okay, what? Okay. Oh wait, R to drop. R. No wait.
Joyce, you need to go do your homework now, okay?
No.
Bye, I'm gone. I'll be back next time with more money. Because I can't do
Yeah.
anything right now.
I'm clapping for my monkey. He's so
Pick
cute.
up. Look at it.
Oh, wait, something right in the
That.
view. I'm gonna view.
Feed.
Oh, his zero on my
cotton
He
candy.
got 0 ratings. Look, guys.
Oh.
Sorry, he got 0 ratings. Sorry, invite me to their party. And they got 0 ratings. I'm gonna go.
Okay, you have fun. Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, help.
Bye.